Hello everyone. I don't know what to say after reading your comments. I felt like I don't know. I think you guys are feeling bad for tea. That's why I made it. I hope you will like it. Let's start. But before I start up, turn off your volume. Preview episode. T wanted divorce from JK and left the house, but JK didn't let him go. He tried to change his mind cause he loves him. Next morning, T opened his eyes and saw JK was hugging him tightly and they both were naked. He unknowingly smiled. He thought, I never thought that Jackie will love me back, but because of him I cried a lot. I'll make sure that you will feel the pain of betrayal by your love. With that, he tried to get up. Jackie quickly get up from bed and started to look here and there. Jackie, what happened, baby? Is there any dinosaur? T shouted, shut up. Because of you, I can't feel my legs, you monster. Jackie started to come closer to T. JK, why are you behaving like this? Till yesterday you were so cute. Now you are behaving like wild tiger. After morning routine, JK was in bed waiting for food. In kitchen, JK was making food with so much effort. After some moments later, JK interned in bedroom with pancakes. JK smiled. Baby, I made your favorite food, pancakes. T thought, wow, my favorite. T, I don't care, just go. But wait, I think whatever you will make, it will be disgusting, so I'll order. Now go. It's been a week. This behavior toward JK getting worse and worse. He always called him without any reason. He never let JK come closer to himself. T was in living room busy in cell phone. JK T. T without looking. Yes, Cookie. JK got shocked and happy. JK again felt betrayal and about to JK. Who can be this time? T. Go and open. You will find out. T, shout out, shut up. How dare you to talk to my friend like this? Don't you have manner? JK, look T, I was just T, get out. Go from here. T only did this cause he wanted to see a jealous Jungkook. After Fatih T come back home, he quickly went to JK's room see his reaction, but he heard sniffing sound. T, Cookie, why are you crying? JK, please T, don't come to me. I'm not good. I hurted you. JK, no, you are lying. You were super happy with Burgum, but you never smiled with me. I'm responsible for your sadness. T, idiot, do you think in this situation I'll joke? JK smiled. Taken saw red eyes of Jungkook. It means he cried from so long. T thought, I never saw this side of him. He really looks like a baby, a cute baby. T smiled and lifted him up. JK, T, you will live with me forever, right? T looked at him and kissed his forehead. T, yes, baby, I'll never leave you. JK smiled. T, but Cookie, we are already married. JK, no, that marriage gave you so much pain. Now I want you to give me my whole love. T looked at him with disbelief. T, Cook, don't be jealous. I love you only. Now sleep. JK pout. No, first promise me. JK pout. Rude. But I'll make sure no one will come closer to my tea. So, what do you think? How's it? I hope you liked it. Let me know your thought in comment section. Bye.